Somebody was telling me last month, I want to dash you a private jet. I said, no, I don't need it now. Jono manager. Manager was the one that called the person. That Ebuka, oh, we're not Chimubua. That's what people think. No. When there is time for everything.
Nkebe eziokwu bụ na onwero onye ga-dash woman the private jet n'ụwa. Even Elon Musk ama emewue. Ọ bụ na Elon Musk ga-eme ọka dash Donald Trump private jet. Onwero onye ga-dash woman the private jet. Onye ahụ ọ bụ onye Nigeria, ka ọ bụ South Africa, ka ọ bụ onye Europe, ka ọ bụ onye Russia, ka ọ bụ onye America. Who is that person that can be able to dash? Now, say that I want to dash private jet to a politician or a pastor or a reverend or a bishop or a prophet. Nobody can fit. Nobody. Don't go fit do am. Get arrow. What is the source of your income? Get it arrow. I can put to probe the person that even opened his or her mouth to say that I want to dash private jet to a politician or a pastor or a bishop or a deacon or a prophet. Get arrow. Federal government need to probe that person. What is the source of your income? Even after they don't go feel do am. Even after they no feel get mind to dash private jet to somebody. Who go feel get mind? Even Ojo Carlo, you know go feel do am. Who go feel get mind? Say I want to dash out private jet. And as you are dashing out private jet, remember say you go still maintain the private jet, you go still pay for hunger. So who get mind? Nobody. Even billionaires waiting for grass embassy. Nobody go fit do them. What is the source of your income? Get arrow. If you can be able to dash out somebody private jet, that means you must have an airline. Because you will go airline. Maybe you will go fleet of airline. Maybe you will like 14, 20 airlines. Maybe you will go private jets. Private jets. Because he went like 4 or 5 private jets of his own. So, you got dash money. Who go feel open mind, open mouth, say I want to dash somebody private jet. Onye di ha. Kai name analyze you. Onye atakolo. Come na onwurukwu abo after internet. Anye were anye me mmụọ megide enter the thing. Onye ga-dash woman the private jet 1, 2. Gini ka onye ahụ na-arụ 3. Onye na-dash woman the private jet because he went like 5 private jets or one fleet of private jet or one an airline, even a Jpac airline, even Qatar Airways, even what is it called? Even Emirates, where we say they be richest for airline, they know if you get mine, that's even country 1 private jet. Talk less of human being, a businessman. Say, I want to dash private jet to somebody. And I say, no. Now, let us just analyze this thing. I just want to make common sense. My comment section, what I don't said.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel. Share this video, like, comment. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Subscribe on this channel. Share this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.